Today, I'm sharing a very different vegetable recipe with you all, and this dish comes from Rajasthan. It's slightly spicy, and it's called Gunda and Fenugreek Sabzi. Now this Gunda is rich in vitamins and minerals. In different places, it is known by different names, and this Gunda generally, we usually make pickles with it, but trust me, it also makes a really delicious sabzi. So today, we are making Gunda and Fenugreek Sabzi. So to make this vegetable, I have taken this Gunda here. It's approximately 300 grams of Gunda. And along with the Gunda, the fenugreek we are going to add, these are dried fenugreek seeds. I took half a cup of these, which I have soaked for 2 hours. Now you can make this vegetable with Gunda in 2 ways. One is to use raw Gunda. Just remove its seeds like this. The seeds are quite sticky, so use a knife with a little salt on it to remove them. And the second method that I am telling you today is to lightly boil the Gunda and then remove its seeds. First, we will add this to hot water and cook it until it comes to a boil. See, the Gunda has come to a boil, so at this point, we will turn off the heat and strain the Gunda. Now we will let the Gunda cool down for a while, and in the same pan, we will cook the fenugreek until it comes to a boil. Now I am adding the fenugreek to the water. While boiling the fenugreek, we won't add too much water. Approximately, it's about half a cup of water. We'll boil it in just that much water. The fenugreek has also come to a boil now. Now let's turn off the heat and let the fenugreek cool down a bit. The Gunda has already cooled down, so now let's remove its seeds. We'll make a small cut and remove the Gunda seed like this, and then cut each Gunda into 2 pieces like this. All the Gundas have been cut. Let's put them in a mixing bowl. Now I'll add to the Gunda about 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Some people avoid adding coriander powder to the Gunda, so you can skip it if you want. Now let's add it. Let's mix all the spices and salt together once. If you add them earlier, the Gunda loses some of its natural slickness. Now everything is ready, so let's start making the vegetable dish. Now, to make the vegetable dish, we'll take a pan and add about 2 tablespoons of oil. This dish uses just a little oil. Now, for the tempering of this vegetable dish, I'm adding 4 things: mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, and Nigella seeds. And I've taken 1 teaspoon of each. In this particular vegetable dish, don't skip the Nigella seeds and fennel seeds, and we'll also add a pinch of asafoetida. Now I have a raw mango here, which I have grated. It's half of a medium-sized mango, and we'll also saute it a little in the tempering. As soon as the mango becomes slightly soft, we'll add the Gunda to it. Let's mix everything together well, and we'll add the fenugreek along with whatever water is in it. At this stage, we'll keep only the water from the fenugreek. We won't add any extra water. And now, we'll cover the vegetable and let it cook over medium heat for 10 minutes. If you like onion and garlic in this vegetable, you can add them when we fried the mango earlier. Let's check the sabzi once. It's completely ready. You'll notice that it doesn't have too much gravy, and it's not too dry either. At this point, we'll turn off the heat and serve it. So here it is. Delicious Gunda and Methi Sabzi is ready. You can enjoy it with roti, paratha, or puri, whatever you like. This sabzi is so delicious. The tanginess of mango and the bitterness of methi are perfectly balanced. You must try it this summer.